In this video, I'm going to show you how to add color swatches to Shopify product page. Now, if we take a look at my store right here, we can see that this product has the black, white, and gray color variant. However, currently they only have text buttons. So what we're going to try to do is to change these text buttons into color swatches. So to do that, we just head back to our dashboard right here. Then we're going to look for this app right here. This is called Glow Color Swatch. So as you can see, I already have it installed. But if you haven't yet, just type it in here and look for it in the Shopify App Store. Once there, you should be able to see it immediately. Just go ahead and click on it so that you can have it installed. And it should ask you for some default settings first before you can integrate it. So once that's done, we head back to our dashboard and just pull that up. The dashboard should look like this. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, we're going to want to head to options right here. And we're going to try to sync the app to our online store so that the changes we make while editing the color swatches will be synchronized to our theme and to our online store. So go ahead and click on that. It should take around 2 to 3 minutes depending on how much data your products have. So once that's done, on the display style here, there's a drop down. Just select color or custom image swatch, enable the show on collection, and hit save. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead to appearance product. So in here, we're going to be able to edit how our color swatches look on our page. So for example, the swatch type, I'm going to try to go with the square right here. You can change up the corner radius a little bit, make it a bit rounded, around 15 maybe. And we can change the swatch size, maybe a little smaller. The swatch spacing right here, maybe 10. And then we can also select the border style of our color swatch. So I'm just going to stick with single, and that thickness is perfect. You can also change the swatch border color here. This is how it looks like when it's on default. This is the color when you hover on a swatch, and this is the color when you select a color swatch. You can change those colors if you want. You can also add effects, a shadow or a glow, or no effect at all. You can have the image zoomed whenever you hover on it. And you can also edit how the image zooms if you choose to enable this feature. You can also show how much products are left for that specific color swatch. And you can also change the alignment right here. So once you're satisfied with your settings, you can just go ahead and click on Save. Now, the next step would be to head to our online store right here. And on Themes, we're going to go ahead and click on Customize. Now, basically, what we're trying to do here is to just ensure that the app is enabled on our current theme. So in my case, I'm using the Dawn theme. So here, we're just going to head to App Embeds. And we're going to make sure that this is enabled so that the color swatches will appear on our online store. Once you enable that, just click Save. And we're going to check how it looks like on our online store. So we're going to give this page a refresh. And as you can see, we now have some color swatches right here. One for black, one for white, and one for gray. Now, as you can see, these color swatches don't have any product images. This is because I'm running a free trial on the app. So if you have a plan, then you can have the color variants of the product appear in these swatches. So to do that, We're gonna head to products right here on the left side of the screen, and then select the product that you wish to edit. And then here on media, we're just gonna upload the different variants of the product you're selling. So since this is only a sample product, I only have black. And if we scroll down a little on variants, the variant options we have here, once you have uploaded the images, you can just select which color fits which swatch. So once that's done, you hit save and the changes should reflect on your online store. Again, you will only be able to see the product image in the color swatches if you choose to purchase a plan with the app and your Shopify store. So that's it, basically. That's where you'll have your color swatches. And that's about it. That's how you add color swatches to Shopify product page. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.